This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Stellaris Co-op. Stellaris offers a fantastic opportunity to team up with your friends and conquer the galaxy together. Unlike many other strategy games, Stellaris Co-op involves a unique shared empire mechanic. This means you and your friends will control a single, unified empire, making all decisions collaboratively. It's a truly immersive way to experience the game, fostering teamwork and strategic discussion throughout your galactic journey. Let's dive into how to set it up. To begin your cooperative Stellaris adventure, one player needs to host the multiplayer game. Once the game is set up, the host will invite their friends to join. Instead of each player controlling their own separate empire, all invited players will join and share control of the host's empire. This is the fundamental difference from standard multiplayer. You'll all be working together, managing the same resources, fleets, and planets, which requires excellent communication and coordination from the very start of your game. With shared control, every player has access to the same interface and can issue commands for fleets, manage planets, and direct research. To avoid confusion and maximize efficiency, it's highly recommended to designate specific roles. For example, one player might focus on fleet management and warfare, another on economic development and planet building, and a third on research and diplomacy. This division of labor, combined with constant communication, ensures smooth operation and prevents conflicting actions within your single, powerful empire. For a truly successful co-op campaign, strategic coordination is paramount. Work together to plan your research paths, ensuring you pick complementary technologies that benefit your shared empire. When expanding, decide collectively on your next targets and how to best secure them. Consider specializing in different tradition trees or ascension perks to gain a broad range of bonuses. Dividing responsibilities, such as one player handling diplomacy and another managing internal development, can significantly streamline your gameplay and lead to galactic domination.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.